Hi, I'm Cassandra, your local host for the Human Connection Conference and a co-facilitator of the Art of Desire. I'm so delighted to bring you Amy and Fuzzy and their nuanced experiences with many different types of relationships, people, neurotypes, and desires. Here they are.
Desire isn't just about physical attraction or sex. It's a force that moves you to do something because it's what you want. So, from this workshop, we hope you get to notice more of what you want, to trust those desires, and to practice asking for them in respectful and confident ways. So, we hope you take these skills out into your life and they help you keep experiencing more of what you most deeply desire. So, hi, I'm Amy. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I'm really passionate about integrating authentic relating with nonviolent communication and somatics and parts work, all to support connection and courage, consent, and especially collaboration. So, my facilitation aims to be playful and interactive and grounded in really my own journey with perfectionism and people pleasing and realizing my neurodivergence way late, all to bring all this wisdom back to you. And I'm really excited for the opportunity to facilitate with Fuzzy and Cassandra because I really love designing with people I already trust and care about. And I really want to up level my own sense of identity and self concept so I can bring more of this transformation to the world.
And my name is Fuzzy. I'm coming in from Western Massachusetts. I'm a consent educator and coach with Consent Beyond Yes. And I am really passionate about making consent sexier and more embodied and really more nuanced. My consent work with Consent Beyond Yes focuses around desire, especially around orienting toward mutual desire rather than focusing mostly on boundaries and fear. So I'm really excited about doing this workshop with Cassandra and Amy, focusing on identifying our authentic, embodied desires and communicating them, confidently and in fun and sexy ways. These are some of my favorite things to talk about, so I'm really excited to talk about them with all of you.
And I just want to wrap this up by saying we're each making some kind of stretch to be here at this conference. Each of us is pushing our edges in some ways to bring you this information to come together. And so we've also really noticed that each of you who are thinking about attending or have already gotten your tickets are stretching in some way to come to this conference. And it's an act of faith to believe that gathering at the Human Connection Conference can make a difference in your life and relationships. And we really believe that it will. We look forward to seeing you there.